In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the presenter in GoToMeeting. Whether you're in the middle of a dynamic discussion or simply need to hand off presenter duties to another participant, mastering this feature is crucial for seamless meeting flow. Let's walk through this process together step by step, ensuring everything is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to ensure you're on GoToMeeting. You can do this by either launching the app or navigating to their website and logging into your meeting room. Familiarity with this interface will save you loads of time and facilitate smoother transitions during your meetings. Now, it's crucial to establish that you're actively hosting the meeting. As the host, you have the capability and authority to change the presenter. Make sure that you've already welcomed your participants into the session, setting a positive tone from the onset. This will also assure you that everyone is engaged and ready for when the switch is made. Once you've confirmed you are hosting, take a look at the GoToMeeting interface and locate the People icon. This icon is typically found in the toolbar. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to managing all participant-related controls during your session. It provides you with the list of everyone who has joined the meeting. Next, you'll scroll through the participant list to find the individual you wish to appoint as the new presenter. This step is straightforward but requires careful consideration. Choose someone who is prepared to take on the role and ensure that your participants know the switch will happen to avoid any confusion. Click on the person's name. A convenient menu will pop up presenting several options that can empower you to manage your meeting more effectively. Among these options are the ability to mute participants or assign someone as an organizer. These features can be quite helpful in various scenarios, like minimizing background noise or delegating additional meeting management roles if necessary. However, our main focus right now is on making someone the presenter. So, without getting sidetracked by other options, go ahead and click on the Make Presenter button. This action is the official handover, granting the selected participant control to share their screen and steer the meeting's presentation aspect. In doing so, you've successfully transitioned the presenter role. This feature in GoToMeeting is quite powerful, allowing you to effortlessly hand control to the right person at the right time. By mastering these basic steps, you'll enhance your capability to conduct meetings that are more engaging and productive. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further clarification on any step. Happy hosting, and see you in the next video.